is 61 Emu Parade. Let's take a look. This super generous home with functional floor plan built by the Alexander brothers exudes character and space. Including 4 bedrooms and an office, I'm absolutely obsessed with the room sizes. The storage throughout as well is on point, with this master including built-in wardrobe and walk-through robe to the ensuite. And who doesn't love a room specifically for the pool table, connecting effortlessly with the outdoor entertaining? Private entertaining does not get much better than this, and with so many spaces to choose from, it's hard to pick just one. My favourite would have to be the gazebo that overlooks the self-cleaning pool and backyard. Honestly, what more could you want? This property even has a granny flat. The options are endless as to what you can make this. With the separate bedroom, bathroom and kitchenette, it's perfect for dual living or an at-home office. And if the house wasn't impressive enough, holy shit. So guys, there you have it for 61 Emu Parade in Barmaryee. This impressive piece of acreage, only 5 minutes drive to the beach, could be yours. If you'd like to know more, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.